was just gonna check for spark before I get too far. Okay, we're filming, but the camera wasn't. Let's try that again. It did fire up. I think for now that's the best we're gonna have, guys. Okay, couple shots of pine. Let's see what that baby gives. Looked into the I just wiped this side, but carburetor's a little, that's an understatement, eh? A little on the dirty side, yeah. So I'm gonna have to buy some carb cleaner. Unless I can just take the carburetor apart myself. Let's just have a look. This thing is so covered up and amazing it even wants to. Yeah, she's pretty dirtied. I just been ignored a little bit. If I have to take a run here to get some new gasoline for it, I will. Yep. Okay, gas line check. It's in a spot. Yep. Awesome. See what happens. There you go. Holy. Don't tell Al Gore. Okay, looks like some of the passages are dirty. I've never seen a lawnmower so dirty, filled up with crud. Amazing. Yeah. Well, let's try that again. Holy.
Chase you. I chase you. So that's Maria, what do you say to that?
They will make a decision based on what's best for their own families, and that's something that I'm sure all of us would do if we were in.